Hello everyone. So we're going to take a look at the Stanley Wildfare Go compact kettle. And it's a 1 liter or 1.05 quart. So let's take a look at it. And I'm a big fan of the Stanley camping stuff. They have all different sizes. But this kettle is really hard to find in stock on Amazon. And it finally happened to be in stock. So I picked one up. So let's take a look at it. Of course, they're going to be noisy as soon as I start doing a video. Alright. Well, I say it's well packaged. Yeah, let's take a look at it. Really heavy duty lid. This is thick stainless steel. And I love these new tabs. They're silicone, so you don't burn your fingers. There's the inside of the pot. Take a close look at it. They really do nice construction on the where the handles are and how they're attached. I like this because you could hang it. This is fireproof, meaning you can use it on the fire, campfire. Here's the bottom. Hopefully you don't get too much glare. Hard to do this. Let me get a light on. Alright, hopefully that's better with a little more light. Yeah, that's much better. So there we go. Now I have a couple different Stanley things. I showed you the 2-cup little pot I have, which I have given one away. But I also have, I think it's a 1 or 2 quart pot. Might be the one. Anyway, it has some bowls in it and some utensils, and it's down in my basement. And I wanted to bring it up here, but I'm having a little trouble getting around with my hip, especially the stairs, so that's not going to happen right now. But I will get it eventually and show you that. But I am going to leave a link for this in the description. If you want to go pick one up, they're $25, $24.95, something like that. And they're in stock, and now's the time to get them because they have been out of stock for months and months. And now it's spring, just about 21st. Now's the time to be buying what you need to go camping and stuff. So that's why I wanted to share this, and I'll put the link for this. Plus, there's one thing I like about Stanley is they can nest together. You can stuff things in with each other. Like this kettle goes into the 1 liter pot, and that set is $45. And if you're interested in something like that, then I'll put that in. You can go check it out. But I think this is one heck of a deal. This thing has good ratings, by the way. I know other YouTubers have done it. It is thick, very thick stainless steel. I'm impressed with it. I didn't know what it was going to be like when I ordered it. I had heard good things about it. And yeah, I definitely like it. So it'll also be perfect, not just for the fire, but Let's put it out here. Let's zoom out on that a little bit so you can see it. A stove. Your camp stove would be perfect for that too. So you'll fit on there perfect. Good way to heat up water. Like, you know, when you go camping or you're backpacking. I don't think, you know, it's not really lightweight, but if you're going somewhere and you're using this kind of stove, you could definitely take something like that along, or the other pots they have, which I am going to link that, and one of these days I'll be able to get downstairs and show you my other little pot and all the little bowls that come with it. But here again we go. So I think this is going to be perfect for the summer with camping, which I'm hoping to do a lot of because I want to get out again. I didn't even realize how long my hip had been causing an issue for a long time. It has been. I just kept thinking it was a bursa, and then I found out, no, it's not just a bursa. So there we go with that. I know some of you are still waiting on your giveaway, and I promise you, you'll be getting it. I just got to be able to get out a little bit more. I really haven't done much because of this darn hip situation. And here's another thing you might want to check out. I've shown this before. I'll put the link in this video. This is the Riot Cooker, however you say that kind of knife. Now I can't pronounce it. Let's zoom in on it. But it's on sale for 16 bucks. And not only if you don't like this style, they have like 4 other ones that are around 20 bucks. This is D2. But this one in particular is on sale for 16 bucks. And I really like this knife. It's a nice little knife. So they have some other ones, like I said, that would maybe suit you a little better, but can't beat that. So there you go. I'm going to cut this off, and hopefully you're all having a nice day. And by the way, happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope you're all having an awesome day. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.